Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. We are from Group H. We are presentation about the concept of meaning. Before begin, my name is Nur Saida Sibuan and partner Tifa Kolbia. Next. Understanding the concept of meaning and its role in translation. Translation is a complex process that involves both language switching and a deep understanding of the source message. The core of this process is meaning, which is a central element in linguistic communication, not just limited to the word level. Meaning in a language is heavily influenced by factors such as grammar, context, and situation. The culture of the community where the meaning appears. Translator must master and differentiate between various types of meaning to avoid loss or misinterpretation of the original message. The next concept of meaning based on linguistic level. The first basic meaning are lexical and denotative or conceptual. Lexical meaning is the basic meaning or meaning defined in the dictionary. It appears when a word is used in isolation, and the denotative meaning is often equated with conceptual meaning. This is a literal, objective, or true meaning that refers to a concept or referent outside the language. Next, the second of based on linguistic level, the meaning of structure and relationship is grammatical and connotative. Grammatical meaning is that areas as a result of the grammatical process, or such as affixation, repetition, or word arrangement in phrases or sentences or syntax. And then connotative meaning, associative meaning, additional meaning, or secondary meaning that arises as a result of the flow of taste, emotion, or social attitude attached to the conceptual meaning. Next, and the third and the last, context meaning are textual and pragmatic or situational. The first textual meaning is meaning that arises from the content of a text or discourse as a whole or caution and coherence. And situational or pragmatic is meaning obtained from the context of language use, which includes the situation and culture of the community, or social-cultural, where the meaning occurs. And then next, for my partner, Silva Claudia.
Okay, next is implementation of level creation in the selection of translation methods. The primary goal for us as a student is to implement level creation in translation practice. This means being able to construct a corresponding translation based on layered analysis of meaning. This process aligns with the three main stage of translation, that is source language analysis and meaning transfer, and the last one is target language synthesis. First is the first implementation focus on translating basic meanings or lexical and denotative meaning. The challenge is we face challenge when lexical equivalents are not always available or when they can cause ambiguity. And how to create an implementation is we can use methods that retain the form of the source language, such as word for word or literal translation. And this is done only if the denotative meaning is the most important element, for instance, in technical text. Second one is translation, connotative, and idiomatic meanings. The challenge is diverting text value and cultural association embedded in meaning connotative. And creation implementation is translator must switch to target language-oriented methods, such as idiomatic translation or sense for sense. The third is translation, textual, and pragmatic meanings. The challenge is ensure the original message is delivered accurately and easily understood by the target language readers. And creation implementation, we can translator use communicative or free translation to shape the meaning of the message to entire discourse level, considering the new audience of readers. And for the conclusion, the meaning in translation is very complex, not only limited to lexical or denotative meanings, but there are various types of meaning that need to be recognized, including grammatical, connotative, textual, situational, and sociocultural. The translator must choose the appropriate method based on the type of the meaning. The ultimate goal of translation is to create an appropriate and natural message in the target language, involves careful meaning analysis and the selection of the correct method. So that's it for our presentation. If anyone want to ask, just comment in my YouTube channel. Thank you.